guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pretty Torres, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget also to give this video a thumbs up. And so for today's look, I'm going to show you how I do my makeup using the Ecru Quad palette by Detail Makeover. So let's go ahead and start. So first, I'm using the NYX HD concealer. I'm using this one to conceal my eyelids and also to make my eyeshadow more vibrant and more pigmented. I'm setting my concealer with some translucent powder by Essence. This is the You Better Work translucent powder. Then I'm taking the shade Touch Brown, and I'm using this one as a transition shade. Next, I'm taking the shade Buff. This is a dark brown. I'm using this one to deepen up the color of my crease. I'm just working my way just to make it more smoky, and I'm also blending that one just to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines. Shade Andirun, I'm just placing that on the outer part of my eyes. It's like I'm making a slight smoky wing. So now I'm applying my liquid eyeliner. This is by IMAGIC, and I'm just making a simple wing. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Skin Foundation, and I'm just applying a sponge to work that all over my face. Then I'm using Rimmel True Match Concealer. I'm using this one to conceal and highlight. Using the Royal Cosmetics, I'm using the brown powder to contour. Mixing the peachy shade and the bronzer as my blush. And on my my under eye, I'm just using the same technique as what I did on my eyes. Then I'm taking a black pencil by IMAGIC Cosmetics to line my waterline. Then I'm using the Max Fanatic Cat Eye Mascara by WetnWild, but I'm only using this one on my lower lash line. And then from the Bilena lip liner, I'm using the mirrored Mocha as my lip liner. Then I'm taking the nude lipstick from Beauty Glazed. You can also wear red lipstick for this look, which is more perfect for the holiday season. And so that's the finished look, guys, and I hope you like it as much as I do. If you do, please don't forget this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.